Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we're going to discuss our sandbag mount or friction dash pad. SKU number for this product is 445-73397. As you can see, this is a friction dash pad. It is used to leave your monitor on the dash without permanently mounting it. Some of the specs on this friction dash pad is that it's 1.5 pounds or 700 grams. The diameter, the part from here to here, is 6 inches, and the internal circumference is 2.4 inches wide. The height of this product is 1.2 inches high on the high end, and you have 0.6 inches on the low end because you have a little lip here for the mounting. Makes it look a little easier. This is what you get with the mount. It's very durable. It's got this rubber bottom, so it won't move. You can see I'm pushing on it, and it's not going anywhere. It's also very heavy. That 1.5 pound will hold up even a 9-inch monitor. It has this little plastic thing here that I'll take off for you guys. When you're mounting it, if you want to mount something on it, you see this thing comes off. That makes this thing a better seal. The one accessory that you might want to purchase, which is not included, is the suction cup that we sell here on the website. This will make this thing a little bit more versatile because it's got these articulated arms and it fits some kind of slot in the back. All our monitors have these. This will work with any of the Taddy Brothers monitors. The SKU number for the suction cup is 891241. So if you put that SKU number in our website, you'll see that suction cup there. But it's very easy to use it. It's very reliable. It's also very durable. So here, I'm going to connect this here like this. We're going to put down this little arm thing like that, and then this thing is not coming out. I'll break this before the suction cup comes out. So you see it's very heavy. We could tighten it up to get it how we want it to look. And if you get the suction cup and you get the sandbag mount, you will have everything you need. A lot of our customers don't need the suction cup. That's why we sell these separate. So if you want, buy the sandbag mount. If you end up needing it, give us a call or just whip on over to the website and purchase the suction cup separately. Once again, the part number for the sandbag mount is 445-73397. This is the sandbag mount. I'm trying to give you guys a view of it, see how it is. And then this is the suction cup. It's heavy duty. It works really well. It's got a lot of articulated points. And that's basically it. The SKU number for the suction cup is 891241. If you need any more help, feel free to call us at 866-966-5550. If you need any tech support, you can call that number as well. If you haven't purchased from us, I hope this video helped. Otherwise, we're here to help with whatever you need. Thank you and have a great day.